Hello children, good morning. Welcome to online classes of Standard 6 subject Social Science. So, last week completed up to the work of Karshan Bhai. Right? We have seen that he was living in Banaskantha district in Rajasthan and was a rickshaw driver. Then discuss about a businessman who came from a village to city. So that I gave you homework. Right? So what village to city? So we can give example of Mukesh Ambani that he was living in small village. Then he got success in business and then now he is in Mumbai. Right? So like this village a businessman you have to find. You can find any other. This I just gave an example. Collective urban livelihood now. Neelam's maternal uncle works in a factory. Now, maternal uncle means. So, firstly, you should know what is maternal and what is paternal. Paternal means paternal uncle, aunt, or anything means paternal means those who belongs to our father's side. Right? And maternal means those who belong to our mother's sides. So, Neelam's maternal uncle means his mama works in a factory. Factory is situated at a huge campus. Various departments could be seen on entering her. So many departments are there and he was working Neelam's mama was working in a huge factory. Here is a factory of manufacturing pants and shirts, textile and technical department when found more active. So it is a manufacturing of pants, shirts, clothes factory. And there this clothes factory found more active. There were more than 50 machineries in the upper story. More switching work with less labor could be done with this machine. So 50 machinery are there. So if machine is there, then labor is less. So it will work very fast if machine is there. Specially machines were there for stitching and putting buttons. You have seen in one shop is there. That button they will keep in the machine only and it will directly stitch to our clothes. So like machines are there for stitching and putting buttons. Due to this more work was done with less labor. So more work is done by machines compared to labor. Labor is there then they will take time na. So machine is there they will do for in minute only. Neelam's maternal uncle worked here as a manager. So Neelam's uncle was a manager. He gave his opportunity to Neelam to watch from the fabric came to manufacturing of pant, shirt and their packing. So his mama is there. He given Neelam a chance to see that fabric is coming from when and it is fabric came to manufacturing. To still the process you have to see. You have to keep watch on that. Her uncle had a talk with a trader. Now he is just had a talk with a trader. He was talking with a trader. The trader wanted fast work. He want 1000 shirt. He say to overtime and get the work done faster. Neelam's uncle talked to them regarding overtime and extra expenditure which was incurred in this work. Now, a big company is there and one trader are giving orders. Suppose A person is there and B person is there. A is giving order to B that you have to complete this on time. So, how many days you take, how many extra time you take, but I want to complete in these days. Right? So, what is there? Overtime means if your exam is there or assignment is there, teacher are telling to do, you have to complete in 2 days only, right? So, what you will study late night and complete it. So, like this, employees work late night and complete extra day without leaving holiday, they will complete. And for that, they will get money. Extra time. Suppose time is fixed up to 8 o'clock, right? Then if they are working for 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, then they will get money by the manager to do the extra work. So like this is extra expenditure. Means they want fast work, then extra expenditure is needed. And overtime money are given to the labor work. So this is overtime and extra expenditure. So this you are seeing in 17.5 that is clothes stitching factory is there. So like this in clothes stitching factory first manufacture is done then button, new design print all are sitting in a machinery. See. So all are working like this in a clothes stitching factory. So the factory, this type of works are going on. In some picture you have seen, I don't remember. Amadi, that Amadi not Amadi Athani Khacha Rupaya, like that picture is there na one. In that this factory are shown very clearly. Now things to know. Work is done in 3 shifts in a unit in 24 hours. So 3 shifts are there. Day shift, evening shift and night shift. 3 shifts are there. Please 3 person work at the same place during 24 hours. If the work is done for more than 8 hours, then extra remuneration is given for every hour. So 3 shifts are there and they have to work according to it. If they will work more than 8 hours, then they would get extra money. Okay. Now, retail livelihood. Jai Singh came to Navsari from Rajasthan. He makes a chocolate here. He makes a variety of chocolates. He works to make these items and supplies it to the traders. So what? He make a chocolate and supply it to the trader. Retail trading is there. He keeps a direct watch on the work from collecting raw material to the production and distribution of the chocolate. So retail means one between person is then he will take all the things in bulk, raw material and all the things, and then keep watching the traders, those who want, those who shop is there. So then he will sell directly to them. If in someone birthday is there, you are going in wholesale shop to buy chocolate, like so that is retail. Selling, the work from selling becomes very easy when goods reach to salesmen and traders. For this, he has to remain the special contact to traders. So, if I am doing wholesale business, I have to contact people. I have to go different place to that which how much order you need it, like that. If you have someone seen in grocery shop, like this things is happening. So, this is retail trader. Today, more than 100 people are employed directly or indirectly due to Jai Singh's chocolate factory. So, Jai Singh is a retail, right? Then in the under many traders are there. So like this, directly or indirectly they are getting employment. We see many businessmen around us. Skill has great importance in getting employment in the present time. How skill is important in that? If you know to speak, if you know to convince them, then only your product will be sold in market, na? So like this, skill is very much important to in the present time for your development, right? Okay, so we will keep our lecture up to here. Then next lecture we will continue with remember and write. Okay, thank you children.